Welcome back and thanks so much for joining us on your Friday. Congratulations, you've made it through another week. We've seen some very cold temperatures. Matter of fact, they have been below average. Yesterday morning we set a record for the coldest temperature ever on record for the month of October, which got me thinking, what is average for this time of year? I've been tracking the average temperatures we see all of fall, but since today is November 1st, we're usually supposed to be at 59 for this time of year. We've been way below that, especially in the middle of this week. We saw 20-degree temperatures, but we're actually going to go right on back towards average come this weekend. This morning, we're starting out very clear, and we'll see our sunrise around 7:40 this morning, but we're not going to feel very sunny at all. Our temperatures this morning are very cold in the teens. 13 in Grand Junction, 19 in Delta, 17 in Montrose. Also, our higher elevations, they're in the single digits. Gunnison below zero. 4 this morning at -3. But we're going to start drawing on some warmer temperatures. If you take a look into the Pacific Northwest, you see 39 in Seattle. That's a lot warmer than what we are seeing right now. We're actually going to draw on some of those more warm temperatures, and we're going to get back into something a little more seasonal for this time of year. All because we have a low pressure system up to the north, the high pressure system out in the Pacific, and that is going to create a pattern that's going to allow those relatively cool but not cold temperatures to keep on moving this direction. And we're actually going to continue to warm up a little bit with those more cool temperatures versus cold over the coming days, because this low pressure system is going to get stuck there in the Pacific Northwest, and that high pressure system is just going to sit there. We call that a blocking pattern, and when that happens and you get a pattern like this, well, it really doesn't change at all. So we're actually going to get back into those more seasonal temperatures and stay there for a while. Our temperatures for today, though, a little bit below average. We're in the 40s. And before I get ahead of myself for this weekend, let's talk about Sunday, because we are actually going to go through daylight savings time on Sunday at 2 a.m. Set your clocks back 1 hour because, well, we're going to go into that time of year. And I get to deliver some good news. We're actually going to get 1 more hour of some sleep. Here's a look at our 7-day forecast. 44 for today for Grand Junction, 46 for tomorrow, 58 for your Sunday, and we'll look at 60s for the middle of the week. Montrose, we have a high of 41 for today and 43 for tomorrow. Thanks so much for joining us this morning. We'll be right back.